Hey guys, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I already have a tutorial on couching, but I wanted to film another one to show you how to do couching around a shape other than a straight line. So I'm using my size 18 chenille needle with some lightweight yarn. I'm going to pull the needle off once I've got it through the fabric, and now I've got a separate needle which is the size 22 chenille needle with 6 strands of embroidery thread, and I'm using this thread to now pin down that yarn on the top of my fabric. And this is a great method to use if you're wanting to stitch with a thicker fiber and it's harder to get through the fabric, because this way you only have to bring it up and down 2 times through the fabric and you can still get a really lovely effect on the top of the fabric. So the most important part is to just use both of your hands and make sure the fiber that you're couching down is flat along the surface of the fabric, and then with your other thread you're just going to pin it down, which I'm using my embroidery thread to do that. So I'm just making these tiny little stitches to pin it down onto my star shape here. Once you've finished pinning down the fiber on the top, you can turn your hoop over and knot the embroidery thread off at the back of the hoop and trim off the end. And then you're going to pick up that size 18 chenille needle again and rethread it onto the yarn fiber or whatever you're using to couch. And then we're just going to plunge that back down into the fabric. So then I'll flip that over once again, tie a knot, trim the end, and there you go. This is a really fun method to use for embroidery. There's really tons that you can do with this stitch. Let me know if you try it, and please like and subscribe. Thanks for joining me today.